So this is me in the morning time. I'm going to take off my mini night caps, and this is what my hair is looking like the night before. I applied 100% virgin olive oil on my hair. So now I'm just going to untwist the 4 sections and begin to start my relaxer process. So this is what I will be using, the Olive Miracle Relaxer, and I use regular. This is everything that comes in the box. And we have instructions included, which are very important. Please be sure to read these if this is your first time doing this. And they have these neat little gloves that are attached to the instructions. So now I'm going to start mixing. You have to mix the 2A and the 2B in with the number 3. And all of this will be inside of your instructions. So after I pour that in and mix that up, I'm going to add in some more extra virgin olive oil. And this is how I like to dilute my relaxers per se, so that I can get a good Texlax. And this is what that looks like all mixed in. So this is the kind of comb that I like to use, and I like my sections to be about this big. And you can see the area of new growth, and I'm going to apply the relaxer to that area. And if it does overlap a little bit, it's not really going to matter because my hair is already under process, and I applied the olive oil overnight so that if the hair does overlap, it won't cause any over processing. So I do not like to use the gloves that come with the relaxer. I feel like those are a little big, and I like my gloves to fit tighter. So after applying the gloves that I like, I'm just going in and applying the relaxer with my hands. And I like to do this so I can kind of feel how the texture is coming out. Also, if you notice, I am not bringing the relaxer up to my edges yet. I like to do that last. And this process is obviously not as fast as it is sped up on the video, but I do like to apply it fast so that I can rinse it out quicker. So now I'm going to do the back sections, and on the back sections I just use my finger to part it out and just slather the relaxer on there. Remember, when you're Texlaxing, you're not leaving the relaxer on as long, and the relaxer is not going to be as strong as it would normally be. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side in the back section. And then I'm going to make sure that I apply the relaxer to my nape area and now my edges. Now I'm going to go through and comb out my hair. And this is how I like to smooth the relaxer, to make sure that every strand of new growth is getting covered. And this helps when I get ready to rinse it out because my hair is already detangled. So after rinsing the relaxer, I like to shampoo it 4 times with the neutralizing shampoo that comes with the packet. And now I am applying this Not Your Mother's Way to Grow shampoo. And the instructions tell you to massage it through your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. After I rinse that out, I'm going to apply my Aussie Moist conditioner and let that sit in for about 30 to 45 minutes. After I rinse that out, this is what my hair looks like. It's just enough texture that I like left in it. And now I am going to prepare my hair for wig wearing. And I do have a video about this. I started using a new method to help cut down on the shedding that I get from braiding my hair. So please be sure to check that video out. And this is all of the shedding that I had, which is a lot less than what I normally get. So I am very happy that I decided to change my method from braiding to just the 4 sections and braids. But you will see how I do that in the video about my new method. So after I have my hair prepared, I'm just going to apply my wig cap and then I'll be ready to put my wig on. And I relax my hair every 16 to 20 weeks. So thank you for watching me Texlax my hair. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.